So I learned a valuable lesson about hooking a car battery up for the first time. Let me tell you what happened to me. So I've been working on this little gem of a Mustang for a few years now. My focus has been to try to get the thing where I can start testing the electrical system. I had almost everything done. The interior was all together. Had to button up some stuff in the dash, a little bit of wiring. Yesterday I got the thing to the point where I could hook the battery up, start testing electricals. So I came up here to the battery. Keep in mind, all the wiring in this car is brand new, everything. There is no old wiring or anything. I hooked the battery up and it popped a little bit, which is normal, you know. Figured the dome light's on, figured the brake lights are probably on from the brake switch. Anyways, and then about 2 seconds later, I see smoke all the way around where the main wiring harness runs. The whole harness was smoking. Goes down under the battery, right there, behind there, all the way up around, all of it smoking. And I come in here, smoking all behind the dash, there's smoke coming out. It's like, oh my God, come on. Now just hooking the battery up, there's no power that goes to anything, so there's nothing that should short out because there's nothing turned on, you know. Anyways, so I started doing some investigating. So I noticed right away, this main wire right here, this black one, just baked. That's your main battery wire. It goes straight to the ignition switch. Like I said, goes under the car, around the core support. And then down here, where the wire comes into the car, had completely melted its way right out of this connector. It's totally cooked this wire. That's what goes to the battery. The other end of it goes into this guy here. The black and yellow wire there, all melted. And then I traced it all the way over here. Like I said, brand new wires. See that yellow wire going right into the ignition switch? So I troubleshot, poked around on this thing all afternoon. You know what I found wrong with it? This guy. Brand new ignition switch right out of the box. The way it works, this big center post right here, that guy is your main battery power feed, goes right into the switch. With the key in the off position, it goes nowhere else. It just dead hits right there. When you turn the key one way or the other, it sends power to these other ones for your accessory lights and all that crap. So this thing was a symbol drawn. So my 12 volts coming straight from the battery goes right into that. It's a dead short right in the ignition switch. Brand new. I think it's a standard motor product, so I'm not sure. It doesn't really matter. So now I've got to pull an entire brand new wiring harness out, pull the dash back apart, pull the wiring out of the front of the car, fix it or replace the wiring harness. All over crap reproduction parts. So the moral of the story is make sure all your doors are shut, your headlights are off, everything in the car, including the ignition switch, is turned off when you hook your battery post up. And pay attention to if there's a big pop. If there's a big pop and you're working on an old car, something is wrong.